So one thing to remember when you're fishing a swimming style bait like this, whether it's just a single swim bait or an umbrella rig, is changing up your cadence. You know, fish tend to follow baits like this a lot as they're suspended through the water column. So a lot of times what I like to do is kill it, let that bait flutter to the bottom, as well as, you know, speed up my retrieve, get my swim bait to do something different to get those fish to strike. As soon as we get below the boat and we start bringing up our umbrella rigs off the bottom, we've gotten bit quite a few times today. You know, it's just doing something different. So that's important, to always change up your cadence, see what the fish want, get your bait doing something different to get those following fish to bite, and that'll help you get more bites throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.